Hi, awesome people. Welcome to our Pets Academic channel. Today, I'm talking about the topic, what toys can I make for my guinea pigs? If you are new to our Pets Academic channel, please subscribe. You can also like and comment on our videos so that we can get to know you better. Consider reading the full in-depth blog post I have written on this topic. You can find it by going to the link in the description. So, let's dive in. With just a few supplies from around the house and some creative thinking, you can easily create fun and stimulating activities for your pet. From chewable puzzles to cardboard castles, there are plenty of DIY guinea pig toys that you can make. Why do guinea pigs need toys? Guinea pigs need toys to keep them physically and mentally active. Without something to explore, they are likely to become bored and stressed, which can lead to depression or other health issues. Toys allow your guinea pig to exercise, reduce boredom, and explore the world around them while in captivity. Toys that stimulate their natural curiosity, such as tunnels, mazes, and hiding places, are especially important for guinea pigs. These allow them to engage in activities that they would normally do when living in the wild, such as foraging for food and evading predators. DIY guinea pigs toy ideas. Cardboard castles. Make your guinea pig their very own cardboard castle with a few supplies from around the house. Cut out large pieces of sturdy cardboard to create walls and turrets, then add fun decorations like buttons or pom-poms. Paper bag hideaways. Create a cozy play area for your pet by cutting several holes into a large paper bag and adding in some shredded paper for them to cozy up in. Toilet paper rolls. Reuse old toilet paper rolls by cutting them into puzzle pieces or decorating them with paint and glitter. Then, fill each one with treats for your guinea pig to uncover. In the full blog post I have written on my website, I have done hours of research and I have written much more details about the above topic and subtopics. The blog article is more than 1,000 words. And I dive into each of the above topics, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about my research on this topic. See you inside the blog post. And let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day. And thank you for checking out petsacademic.com.